All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. We are in the BitSeven trading platform. We are in the Ethereum platform on the BitSeven trading platform. If you're not part of BitSeven yet, please hit the link and subscribe and join that trading exchange, as well as join our free trading community Discord. Biggest question we've been getting the last 24 hours, all over the Discord, all over Facebook, okay, and message via email is, what's going to happen with Ethereum next, right? That's really the biggest thing. Now, in the last 2 days, really, 2-3 days, really the 8th, 9th, 10th of February, obviously we have, seen about a 15% rise in the value of Ethereum. So a couple things have developed here that's really, really important. Biggest thing is we now recognize from our on-chain metrics, if you follow what's known, I call it an IO map, okay, which is in out of the money around the price model is really what that's about, okay? Looking on the blockchain, using on-chain metrics to determine where are the real big buy-ins for Ethereum in the last month, right? We've heard about Grayscale upping its exposure into Ethereum for its trust and reopening that back up, right? We've also heard what's happening with Bitcoin with Elon Musk and Tesla. We've also heard potentially Apple. Okay, we already know about Visa. Okay, we already know about all these other things that are now coming out to be open to cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. How is that going to impact Ethereum? Well, the biggest thing about Ethereum is it makes it different than 99% of everything in the cryptoverse is its network, right? It's heavily exposed exposure in terms of decentralized finance and all of those projects, right? Still has issues with gas, right? In terms of how much it's costing for transactions, right? I mean, we're aware of that. But the potential is still so huge for Ethereum. It is still so undervalued, realistically. Even if you just compare it to Bitcoin on the way up for Bitcoin, okay? And so where we're sitting right now at roughly about 1788 is still really, really good for us because we've got a lot of support back here in 1700, okay? We've got a ton of support. And what I mean by that is I'm not talking about the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute chart. I'm talking about accumulation bubbles on the blockchain for Ethereum, okay? We basically have that 1600 to 17 level of support with massive adoption or accumulation and acceptance of Ethereum on a larger scale, a scale that we have not seen for quite some time for Ethereum, okay? And then we've got some resistance really around this level, okay, in terms of the last big purchases in Ethereum were made in the 1760 level. Okay, and then in the 1600 level. So that tells you from institutions, from large whales, where their mindset is, okay, and where our support may be. I believe we're going to see a move to 2000. I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research, do your own due diligence, investigate whether or not Ethereum or any asset for that matter, altcoin, token, cryptocurrency, stock, commodity, bond is appropriate for you. That's on you. Okay. I believe that we're going to see if we hold this 1760 to 1780 level this evening, it's about 8 o'clock right now, Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, we're going to see a move into the 1800 level in earnest. And I believe we're going to get more FOMO above 1830 that's going to take us to 2020-30 in the next 3 to 4 days. I believe it's going to happen during the weekend. I believe we're going to get FOMO tomorrow going into the weekend. And the bigger question is really for a lot of people is how do we play that, right? What's the right play? Obviously, you can play in the minute, or you can play with a 5x, 10x, 240 hour, which means 10-day trade on our BitSeven trading platform. Okay. And so if you believe that Ethereum is going to rise 200 points in the next 10 days, you can go in low leverage 5x. And that's where we're sitting right now, 8 p.m. on Ethereum. All right, mates.